skincare lovers, we often find ourselves drawn to international brands or global brands, don't we? But did you know some Indian brands are making waves and surpassing the global names? Today in this video, we are going to dive into some homegrown Indian skincare brands which are just killing it when it comes to skincare. Guys, these brands are not just only effective but also celebrate our diverse skin needs, especially catering to Indian skincare needs. So yeah guys, let's get started and see which are these amazing skincare brands. Let us get through some of their amazing skincare products. Starting with the very first brand, I have Dr. Sheth's. And here I have their two amazing products which I have used and finished up. I just love both of these products, guys. First of all, talking about Dr. Sheth's, this is a dermatologically formulated brand, guys, which is specially made for Indian skincare, catering to all Indian skin needs. And the very first product that I would recommend to all of you out there from this brand is their Dr. Sheth's Ceramide and Vitamin C sunscreen with SPF 50 and PA+++. This is how their sunscreen looks like, guys. If you have been following this channel, then you must be knowing that this is one of my favorite sunscreen to use, and this is something which I have used very religiously, guys. The second favorite pick from this brand is their Neem and Salicylic Acid Face Wash with 1% salicylic acid, neem extract and tulsi extract. This is something which again I have used very much. I've completely finished up this and even got second one for myself. Guys, this is something which is very much suitable if you have combination oily and acne prone skin condition. This is something which is very effective. Moving on to the next brand, this is Banjara's, and this brand is amazing, guys. Even have Indian skincare brand video of last year and उसमें भी इसका एक product feature हुआ था because this brand just makes amazing products. And the product that I would recommend today is their premium rose water enriched with rose oil. This rose water is absolutely free from any kind of paraben and alcohol, guys, and this is 100% pure rose water enriched with rose oil. Now here I have a 1 liter bottle of this, guys, because I do DIY, so मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत पड़ती है rose water की for making my face pack. And the best part is that this is super affordable. ये 1 liter की bottle is just for ₹150, you guys. The best part being A, it is pure, second, it is affordable, and third, it is very effective. बहुत अच्छा रोज वाटर है, बहुत अच्छे से काम डाउन करता है आपकी स्किन को, बहुत नेचुरल फील करता है, बहुत ओवर पावरिंग फ्रेग्रेंस नहीं है इसकी, एक सटल नेचुरल रोज वाली ही फ्रेग्रेंस है. नाउ गाइज, द थर्ड ब्रांड व्हिच आई एब्सोल्युटली लव इज ब्लॉसम कोचा अरोमा मैजिक, एंड हियर आई हैव 2 प्रोडक्ट्स. एक्चुअली आई लव देयर 3 प्रोडक्ट्स, बट तीसरा जो प्रोडक्ट है वो बस खत्म हो चुका है और मेरे पास की बॉटल भी नहीं पड़ी है, बट आई रिकमेंड दैट ऑल्सो. The very first product that I have used from this brand, जो मैंने सबसे पहली चीज ट्राई की थी and I absolutely loved this, is their sunblock lotion with SPF 30 and PA++. This is UVA, UVB, and it is a matte sunscreen. So this is how the sunscreen looks like, guys. This is an amazing formulation if you have combination to oily, extremely oily skin type. ये बहुत अच्छे से आपकी skin पे work करेगा. The best part being this is free from all harsh chemicals, so very safe to use by all the teenagers as well. The next product that I have from the same brand is their Neem and Tea Tree Toner. It balances pH and minimizes pore, powered by niacinamide. So ये है इनका Neem, Tea Tree और niacinamide वाला toner. This is something which is amazing if you have oily acne prone skin condition. Something which is suitable if you have oily acne prone skin condition. एक बहुत ही gentle और mild toner है जो बिल्कुल भी आपकी skin को irritate नहीं करेगा, and it is very effective, guys. Third product that I was talking about from the same brand, Blossom Kocha Aroma Magic, is one of their toner as well that is specially formulated for combination skin type. And I'll link the image of that. बहुत ही अच्छा टोनर है गाइस, कॉम्बिनेशन स्किन के लिए बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत सूदिंग कामिंग काइंड ऑफ टोनर है, एंड इट वर्क्स वेरी नाइसली इफ यू हैव कॉम्बिनेशन स्किन टाइप. गाइस, नाउ द फोर्थ ब्रांड इज द ब्रांड है इंडियन, बट टॉकिंग अबाउट इट्स फॉर्मुलेशन, टॉकिंग अबाउट इट्स कैटेगरी इन स्किन केयर, talking about its packaging, it's so much luxurious. It matlab in one go you're never gonna say कि this is an Indian skincare brand, and it is super amazing. It just comes up with some amazing formulation, different categories of product catering different skin needs, and this is none other than Dot & Key, guys. And the 2 products which I absolutely love from this brand, the first one being their Dot & Key Skincare Illuminating Glow D-Tan Polish, something which I've completely finished, guys. पूरा finish करा है मैंने इसको भी, and पूरा फिनिश करा है मैंने इसको भी, as you all can see. And the best part about this brand is their packaging. मुझे इनकी पैकेजिंग बहुत कूल लगती है. All of their mask comes in this jar packaging which makes it super luxurious और बहुत ही effective इनके स्किन के प्रोडक्ट्स हैं. I'm not saying guys कि go blindly behind a brand, But yeah, some of the products from few of the brands are just killing it, and this product is one of those. Now my second hero from the same brand is their Sika Calming Rapid Relief Face Mask. Being very honest guys, I was a bit skeptical before using this product because first of all this is a mask, बट ये ऐसा अगर आपको दिख रहा है, थोड़ा सा छोड़ा है मैंने इसमें, ये ऐसे एक जेल कंसिस्टेंसी में आता है, तो आई वॉज नॉट श्योर वेदर दिस इज गोना वर्क एज अ मास्क और नॉट, बिकॉज आई हैव ऑलवेज यूज दोज क्ले मास्क, तो मुझे वो एक लगता है कि मास्क शुड बी समथिंग विच इज थिक और विच इज देयर, मतलब लगना चाहिए कि चेहरे पे है कुछ, एंड एज यू ऑल कैन सी कि ऐसे एक जेल टाइप में आता है, तो मुझे थोड़ा डाउट था कि वेदर इट्स गोना वर्क और नॉट. But this particular mask, you guys, this is so amazing, especially if you're someone who have that irritated skin, who have inflamed skin, तो आपके लिए ये बहुत ही अच्छा मास्क है. This just summing it up guys, this is something which is very nice to just calm your skin, to relax your skin if there's any irritation going on in your skin or your skin is inflamed due to any or the other reason after shaving वगैरह वाली अगर inflammation हो रही है, so you can just use this particular mask and this is gonna soothe your skin very nice. Now the next brand is the brand जिसको देखते देखते I have grown up, जिसके products I have seen everywhere lying around me, and this is none other than Everyuth guys. Everyuth Naturals is again one of the amazing Indian skincare brand, just formulates very nice products, simple yet effective, and it was really very difficult for me to choose or pick one or two items or 3 items from this particular brand because they have some amazing products going on out there, but somehow I managed to pick my 2 most favorite from this particular brand, which I feel like will work for each and every skin type and all different skin condition. So that's the reason why I chose these 2 products guys. The very first product is the Everyuth Naturals Pure and Light Tan Removal Pack for face and body. This is made up of chocolate and cherry being their active ingredient. Now this particular D10 pack, the best part about this pack is guys, this is suitable for face as well as body. So जिन लोगों को भी body में tanning होती है, उनको अलग से कोई product खरीदने की जरूरत नहीं है. This is something which is gonna work very nicely. This particular mask has a very delicious fragrance, बहुत अच्छी fragrance है, and you're going to see the result from the very first use itself. That is something which is very nice about this particular mask. Now the next favorite from this particular brand is the chocolate and cherry body tan scrub. This is the tan removal scrub with chocolate and cherry exfoliate to help remove tan. This is how it comes like. Glass packaging है, looks very nice. ये भी again मैंने पूरा खत्म कर दिया as you all can see. Now this particular scrub is again something which is suitable for your face as well as your body. So this is again something which is very effective and this is gonna last for very long time guys. मतलब ये टब ना बहुत लंबा चलता है, ट्रस्ट मी, और बहुत ही इफेक्टिव है, बहुत माइल्ड. द बेस्ट पार्ट बीइंग कि एक फिजिकल एक्सफोलिएंट होने के साथ साथ दिस इज वेरी माइल्ड, बहुत हार्श. इसके जो स्क्रबिंग बीड्स हैं वो बहुत ज्यादा हार्श नहीं है, कोई माइक्रो टीयर्स वगैरह नहीं करते हैं, बिकॉज दिस स्क्रब हैज अ क्रीमी बेस, तो बहुत अच्छे से आपके स्किन पे स्प्रेड होता है एंड यू कैन स्क्रब इट वेरी इजिली. Guys, my next favorite product from an Indian skincare brand is from Joy. This is their Kesar Chandan Natural Glow Face Pack with vitamin B3 and turmeric. This is something which is my absolute favorite guys. If you have been following this channel then you must be knowing कि ये फेस पैक मेरे ऑलमोस्ट हर वीडियो में होता है. अगर कोई फेस पैक की वीडियो है या कोई अफोर्डेबल प्रोडक्ट्स की वीडियो है तो दिस is there always just for ₹30 you guys. This is something which is very amazing. बहुत ही अच्छा फेस पैक है, हर स्किन के लिए सूटेबल है. आपकी स्किन टाइप जो भी हो, आपकी स्किन कंडीशन जो भी हो, दिस इज समथिंग विच इज गोइंग टू सूट यू वेरी वेल गाइज, एंड दिस इज समथिंग विच यू मस्ट ट्राई आउट बिकॉज बहुत ही अफोर्डेबल है, तो एक बार ट्राई करना तो डेफिनेटली बनता है. Now the next products come from an Indian skincare brand that is Moha, and this is their herbal lip balm and this is their 10-gram tube which is just for ₹50 you guys. 50 रुपए में आपको इतना अच्छा लिप बाम मिल रहा है. ये दिस एब्सोल्युटली नेचुरल. इसके जो इंग्रेडिएंट्स हैं बहुत अच्छे हैं. इट हैज एप्रिकॉट, ऑलिव, आमंड, व्हीट जर्म एंड हनी. द बेस्ट पार्ट दैट आई फील अबाउट दिस पर्टिकुलर लिप बाम इज इट्स फॉर्मूला गाइज. इसकी जो कंसिस्टेंसी है वो बिल्कुल परफेक्ट है, बहुत ज्यादा लाइट नहीं है, बहुत ज्यादा थिक नहीं है. इट जस्ट हैज द परफेक्ट कंसिस्टेंसी. बहुत ही माइल्ड फ्रेग्रेंस है इसकी, जो बहुत सूदिंग और स्वीट लगती है, क्योंकि जब आप इसको लगाते हो ना तो फील होता है आपको कि हाँ इसके इंग्रेडिएंट्स जो हैं दे आर एब्सोल्युटली नेचुरल. इट मेक्स यू फील लाइक दैट. एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट द मॉइस्चराइजिंग पार्ट ऑफ दिस लिप बाम, दिस इज अ वेरी डिसेंट मॉइस्चराइजिंग लिप बाम गाइज व्हिच यू मस्ट ट्राई आउट. दिस इज समथिंग व्हिच आई हाईली रिकमेंड टू ऑल माय व्यूअर्स आउट देयर. द नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट दैट कम्स अप इज फ्रॉम अ वेरी वेल नोन इंडियन ब्रांड. दिस इज Himalaya. And the product which I absolutely love from this particular brand is their purifying neem face gel. This is something which I'm talking about. ये भी मैंने खत्म कर दिया है as you all can see guys. Now this particular face gel is again something guys which is suitable for all different skin type. नो मैटर व्हाट योर स्किन टाइप इज, ये आपको बहुत अच्छे से सूट करेगा. द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट दिस पर्टिकुलर फेस पैक इज यू कैन यूज दिस इन योर DIY मेकिंग ऑल फेस स्क्रब ऑफ, यू कैन यूज इट एज अ फेस जेल ऑल्सो. आप जैसे चाहो इसको वैसे यूज कर सकते हो. स्पेशली इफ यू आर समवन हु हैव एक्ने प्रोन ऑयली स्किन, तो आपके लिए बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा है. यू कैन यूज दिस एज अ नाइट जेल ऑल्सो, बहुत ही अच्छा है ये, बहुत सूदिंग कामिंग है. And if you have any or the other, no, and if you just have any or the other small pimples going on here and there, this is gonna relieve that too, guys. Now coming to the second last product or second last brand for this video, we have M Caffeine. M Caffeine is India's first caffeinated brand, guys, which formulates again some of the amazing products. बहुत ही प्यारे products हैं इनके. Caffeine being their key ingredient, they are just formulating some of the best formulations out there. And the product which I absolutely love, actually there are two products which I absolutely love. एक अभी है नहीं मेरे पास, आई जस्ट थ्रोन इट अवे, बट आई हैव यूज्ड दैट प्रोडक्ट लाइक n नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स, गाइज. आई रिकमेंड दैट टू. पहले मैं जो है अभी उसकी बात कर लेती हूँ. आई हैव M Caffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Body Scrub. It has coffee with coconut and this is suitable for normal to oily skin. This is what I'm talking about. I have a travel friendly size over here because I've been traveling lately, so I was carrying this along with me. This is how it looks like, guys. बहुत ही प्यारा scrub है. This is something which is again gonna suit every skin type, and this is again something which is gonna suit each and every skin type. This is gonna exfoliate your skin very nicely, very gently. Absolutely enjoy using this particular body scrub, guys. Even this body scrub was my first ever body scrub. This was something which I used for the very first time for my body, and this is something which I absolutely love, and I just keep going back to this body scrub. Next product which I love from the brand M Caffeine is their body wash or their shower gel, whatever you people call it. I have used their espresso variant. I'll leave the image over here. That is something which is amazing, guys. Itni delicious fragrance hai. If you're someone who loves coffee or if you're a coffee lover, coffee addict, someone like that, देन आपको पहली बात तो इसकी फ्रेग्रेंस ही बहुत अच्छी लगेगी. सेकेंड ऑफ ऑल जो टेक्सचर है इसका वो बहुत ही परफेक्ट है. इट हैज जस्ट द परफेक्ट टेक्सचर टू वॉश योर बॉडी. थर्ड थिंग विच इज अमेजिंग इज दैट इट हेल्प्स इन रिमूविंग टैनिंग. अगर आपको बहुत डिसेंट सी टैनिंग हुई है ना, तो वो भी ये बहुत अच्छे से रिमूव करता है. दिस बॉडी वॉश इज अमेजिंग इन दैट वे टू, गाइज. So someone looking out for a delicious body wash or just want to change your body wash, then definitely try out M Caffeine body wash. Especially I can vouch for the espresso variant because I have used it personally, so मुझे वो बहुत पसंद आया. Do give it a try, guys. Guys, coming to the last brand and last product for this video, I have saved the best for the last, guys, and this is Plum Body Loving Body Butter in the variant Vanilla Vibes. This is the product. This comes in this huge tub which is going to last for lifetime. Which is going to last for lifetime, you will feel like. Guys, this is how the body butter looks like. You all can see how much I have used. The fragrance is to die for. It's super delicious vanilla fragrance जो बहुत mild और sweet है. बहुत ज़्यादा overpowering fragrance नहीं है इसकी. And talking about the body butter, guys, it is actually a butter. The moment you're gonna take it in your palms, it just melts into your skin, guys. बहुत ही deeply moisturize करता है आपकी skin को. Especially a must have for upcoming winter seasons. अगर आपको winter के especially अभी से shopping करनी है या कुछ add to cart करना है, so this is something which I would highly recommend. बहुत अच्छे से आपकी skin को nourish करता है, deeply nourish करता है, लॉन्ग लास्टिंग है. इसका जो मॉइस्चराइजेशन है वो बहुत लॉन्ग लास्टिंग है. बिल्कुल भी थिक नहीं है ये, बिल्कुल भी ऐसा चिप नहीं करता है स्किन को, विच इज समथिंग विच आई एब्सोल्युटली लव, गाइज. So if you are looking for a good body butter to last for a long time, then and this is something which I highly recommend, guys. This is something which you must try out. So with that, we have came to an end of this video, guys. I hope you people like this video. I hope you people enjoyed watching this video. अगर आपको ये वीडियो कैसे भी हेल्पफुल लगा हो, अपने लिए आपको कोई भी प्रोडक्ट्स पसंद आए हो, and if you really want to support homegrown Indian skincare brands, then do like this video. Share it with your loved ones. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Subscription is totally for free. आपको कोई पैसा नहीं देना होता है सब्सक्रिप्शन के लिए. So kindly consider subscribing. It will help me a lot, guys. Yeah, until next, guys. Take care of yourself. Keep loving yourself and keep supporting homegrown Indian skincare brands. They need much of our love and our support, guys.